In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to center a title in Google Docs. Whether you're drafting an important document for work, a school assignment, or simply organizing your thoughts, having a well-formatted title can make all the difference in how your text looks and feels. Centering a title in Google Docs is a simple action, but it immediately presents your work in a more professional manner. By the end of this video, you'll be able to do this quickly and effortlessly every single time. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser. Type Google Docs into your search engine and hit Enter. You're likely already a user of Google Docs, given its popularity for writing and collaboration, so go ahead and click the official link in your search results. This will redirect you to the main Google Docs homepage. Once you're on the site, you'll need to log into your Google account. This is essential as Google Docs saves your work in real time and links directly to your personal account, allowing you seamless access to your documents from any device, anywhere. Simply enter your login details and you'll be directed to the Google Docs dashboard. Next, you'll want to decide whether you're starting fresh with a new document or accessing an existing one. For a new document, click on the plus sign under Start a New Document. If you have a document in progress, find it in your list of recent files and open it directly by clicking on its name. With your document open, it's time to highlight your title. Click and drag your cursor over the text you want to center. It's important to ensure the title is highlighted completely, as this selection indicates to the software which piece of text you intend to modify. Now direct your attention to the toolbar across the top of your screen. You're looking for the alignment icons, a set of symbols usually positioned to the right of the bullet point icon. These icons control how text is aligned on the page: left, center, right, or justified. Finally, you want to click on the icon that depicts lines centered together in the middle. By selecting this, you'll instantly shift your title to the center of the page, providing a balanced look and a clear focal point for anyone reading your document. The text should move promptly, reflecting the option you've chosen. And there you have it. Your title is now smack dab in the center, perfectly aligned and visually appealing. Keep in mind, this method isn't just restricted to titles. It's a great tool for any element you wish to center, such as a subheading or a piece of standalone text. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has empowered you with another valuable skill to make your documents shine. Feel free to pause and replay this video if needed. Happy writing!